the new Yamaha R9. What gives me the right to give an opinion to you about this motorcycle? For one, I have a very dear friend who owns an R1, and I have ridden that R1 quite a bit. Two, I have owned 2 generations of the Yamaha MT-09. Now, I feel like I'm in a unique position to talk about an MT-09 with clip-ons because my last 2021 had Woodcraft clip-on conversion, and I loved that. I'm a big fan of clip-on handlebars. In Europe, they released an XSR 900 GP. Yamaha isn't the type of company to release wacky one-off motorcycles. They're very focused in the simplification and streamlining of their production. So when that bike came to market, I figured it was a sure thing that the R9 was coming to. I have read the spec sheet that's been released about the R9, and it says that they've removed 2 teeth from the back, which means it is going to get a higher speed. They have fully adjustable KYB suspension. They've also got those Brembo Stylema brakes to account for that much more track-oriented braking. It's going to be more competitive in the professional race categories. That makes sense because of its intent of where it's supposed to be ridden, how it's supposed to be ridden. When I do swing a leg over it, my prediction is that it's going to feel like a more comfortable 636. So to sum all of this up, Yamaha's CP3 engine is amazing, no matter what they put it in. And the R9 is going to be a super fun powerhouse sports bike that is going to give you everything you need, plus a little extra, and it's going to do everything it delivers on amazing. Thanks for riding with me. I've been Nathan with Level Up Moto. Subscribe, like, hit all those cool dopamine buttons, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Throttle out, everybody.